Alright, so we back with another hit. This video, y'all seen this car in a couple other videos. We wrapping the MR2, so y'all probably seen it in there, but this is gonna be a dedicated video. We two-toning the Rolls-Royce Ghost. We're gonna do it silver. We already got the color, so we're gonna two-tone the whole car. This silver, so we're gonna follow this body line all the way, and everything up top is gonna be two-tone. So right now we getting it cleaned up. It's pretty clean, but we gonna wipe it down real good. We're gonna alcohol it, and then we're gonna clay bar it to get everything off of the paint so it's smooth, so the wrap come out real good. And then we're gonna pull it in the booth in the morning, 5 o'clock Sunday morning. But that's how it works. That's the best time we could wrap, not interrupt it. And so it just works out for us. But that's the plan. We're gonna get this in there as soon as we finish two-toning. Normally, I think, just an estimate, it'll probably take both of us about 4 to 5 hours to two-tone it once it's clean and prep. So hopefully we'll get that done before lunch, and then after lunch we'll get on the MR2 and just do as much as we can. Good morning, my YouTube family. It's 5:54 Sunday morning. We got this thing, it's prepped, it's ready to go, it's clean, it's clayed. So now I'm gonna just take it out, pull it out. We're gonna pull it in the booth and get ready to wrap. Yeah, I'm tired. Gonna be a long day, but this is the behind the scenes. This is what people don't see about owning a shop. It's not just as simple as, you know, start a business, get rich, and buy anything you want. Nah. See, that's what I thought. That's what I was hoping for, but that didn't work. And so when you become a business owner, you get into the mentality that it's by any means necessary. If you want to make it, you have to make it. Like, it's not going to be handed to you, given to you. So I like showing this. It's a good journey that we're on. Y'all get to come on it with me. Y'all will see the progression of the shop and the growth, see some of the cool cars we work on. So let's get this thing in the booth and start wrapping. Alright, so we got the Rolls in the booth, and I put the heater in here to heat it up. I want to get this car up to temp. It don't have to be hot. It don't have to be hot, but I need it to be, you know, warm enough for the wrap to stick and not have any issues. And it's gonna give us a nice temperature surface to wrap on. This is the price of the wrap. I think the wrap was like, yeah, $26 a yard. I had to get 11 yards. 11 yards is gonna go from the front all the way to the back two-tone. It came out to like, what, 300 and something? Yeah, like 3 something for the material. So it's not bad. The material cost isn't bad. It's the work that usually takes the time. This is the color we going, the silver. So it's really close to this silver. So it's gonna look a lot different because it's gonna be all two-tone, but the color scheme is gonna be the same. The front is gonna be exactly the same. We just gonna carry it out. That's it. And he's getting some new rims. So when the new rims come in, this thing's gonna look good. This thing gonna look real good. All right, so I gotta take this piece out to get a good wrap. It's hard to wrap in here, along here, and then especially with this, like to wrap in and out on the cover is really hard with this piece on there. So it's easier to take it out. It's better to take it out. You get a better overall wrap. So we're gonna take it off. So this is the piece that covers so y'all get to see the inner workings of the Spirit of Ecstasy. Let me get the key. This is a big motor, big actuated motor, servo motor. It's electric. And then this is the Spirit. So when you press her up, saw what it did. So this thing pull in, and that pushes all this arm out. And you see how it is powered. The Spirit is powered. I think that's the sensor. So if she's wiggled too hard, it'll put feedback here and then close this thing immediately. But this motor is huge. It almost looked like overkill, but that's how it works. It's all actuated here, and then everything else is just connecting rods. So when this comes out, this tucks out the way, and then vice versa. So when we put it down, it pulls that down, and then once it's out the way, this is allowed to pop up. So So I got the grill surround on, and before I put the lower pieces on and screw everything on and put the push clips in, I'm gonna check to make sure that it's centered and that it works, make sure it's not hitting anything. So let's see. Perfect, perfect. She went back in her groove. So that's what we started, just to make sure it ain't getting low. We've been working on this for a while, so. Oh man, it sounds healthy. It didn't hesitate to start at all. So, didn't hesitate to start at all. Alright, so we do the same process before. You saw me take it off, so I'm gonna put the first put the screws in the back, put my bracket back on here, and then put the piece on, put all the push clips in, put the rubber back, and that'll be it. That'll be the front. Pop these little things on and get it out of here. Hey, come look at these wheels. Come look at these wheels. He changed the wheels, and oh my, yeah, I'm outside. Oh my, look at the wheels on these things, man. Huh? What you gotta say for the camera? Nothing. This dude here, man, look. Ooh. Bro, that's, oh my God, man. What they are? 245, 30. You can lock the lock. You can turn it full lock, everything. And it won't rub.
I try to get 275. Shit, it ain't want much turn.
It don't rub the inside or nothing. And these 24s.
Yep.
These, bruh, these are it. These are it.
Danielson. Daniel. It can't have no Daniel down here. You gotta get another name, man.
Ignore everything this dude about to tell you. He helped me start this. He the owner of this. He none of that stuff.
Daddy's not your boss.
Oh no, that's not.
It's not your boss.
I'm his boss. It's different. It's different, bro.
This dude here, boy.
You gonna see me around here all the time because I got nothing to do.
He don't.
But
He
whatever
really
you do.
Let him check his schedule first.
Hello.
Oh.
Look at Sean, Sean.
Yeah. What? Do I?
Look.
I'm recording now. What you gotta say to the camera, man? Tell them how good it look. Tell the folks at home how good it look.
Toussaint Customs did it again.
Hey, that's what they like to hear, boy. That's what I like to hear. What? Hey, say that again. One more time.
50-0 like Floyd Mayweather.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah, we about to go right here by the
My
bridge.
boy Shine, top 10 motorsports. I'ma link him, I'ma tag him so you'll see him. If y'all need a car, hey, he got him. Any type of car you need, he can source it, used cars, top 10 motorsport. What you think?
That's clean right there.
Alright, let's go. Let me get my camera. Huh? No, I'm just getting my camera. I had my camera for the wedding. Hey, you not gonna open the door for me? Huh? Man, I gotta open my own door. Man, what kind of service is this? See, that's why you don't use just no anybody's service. Come to the best. There we go. Go and take pictures. I'm just going to the back and take pictures.
You're going to the back? Why are you in the back of this car?
You know who I am? I'm Toussaint of Toussaint Customs.
And that's your boss. Okay.
And this is my driver for the day.
Hey, don't listen.
Alright, y'all. I'll be back. We're just going to the river. How we took pictures last time. Oh, let me press the button. There we go. Alright, sir. I'm ready to roll.
Wow.
To the excuse me, sir. Can you turn the air down a little?
Oh, it's too cold for you?
Yeah, it's a little chilly back here.
I guess you come from the shop. That's why.
Oh yeah.
It's
A little chilly.
climate control.
Let me. My seat kinda.
But these.
Oh yeah, there we go. Turn my TV on. Yeah, music a little too low for me.